Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss Candida Western pathology and diagnosis. In Western pathology and diagnosis of Candida, Candida albicans is a physiological fungus that is found in the mouth and gastrointestinal tract. When it multiplies too rapidly, it can produce opportunistic infections. Predisposing factors include moist skin folds, obesity, diabetes mellitus, pregnancy, poor hygiene, humid environment, wet work occupation, use of broad spectrum antibiotics, excessive consumption of sugar. This is the etiologic agent of Candidiasis vaginal. Infection of Candida albicans may affect the following areas. In genitals, characterized by itchiness, soreness, and redness of the vulva and vagina in women, thrush, white plaques adhere to inflamed mucous membranes, and a white vaginal discharge may occur. For men, they may develop similar changes on the penis. Thrush can be spread by sexual intercourse. Reflexures characterized by a moist, glazed, and macerated appearance of the flexures under the breast in women, in the axilla, groin, or between the fingers or toes. For oral mucosa, characterized by white plaques that adhere to the erythematous mouth mucosa, this is often caused by use of broad-spectrum antibiotics. For systemic, it's characterized by red nodules on the skin. This occurs in immunosuppressed patients, such as those who have acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or those undergoing long-term corticosteroid therapy. Thank you for your attention.